In front of me is Motorola Moto G72, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this Motorola smartphone. First of all, just open Settings. Then click on Display section over here, and following that, scroll down. Now you need to click on Display refresh rate. Click on the best option for you in order to set it up, and as you can see, after that, display refresh rate of this Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!